Hello, my name is Sonja and I work for Professional Editorial Support. Today I will be preparing for you a deliciously creamy peach pie, and these are the ingredients that you will need. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that's 356 Fahrenheit. Slice peaches into tiny slices and make sure they are not too tiny because they will eventually melt down in the oven. If you're using a regular baking tray, you will need a sheet of parchment paper because that will avoid peaches from sticking. I'm using oven-safe dish, so I don't need parchment paper at all. Just lay down the slices. Sprinkle 1 bag of vanilla sugar over the peaches and add a few spoons of sparkling water. Combine butter and sugar using a mixer. Slowly add gluten-free flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. When this mixture is combined, you can add heavy cream and coconut milk. I'm using a spatula at the moment, but I will start mixing it with a mixer. You can add a shredded coconut, unsweetened, but this is optional. You can replace it with vanilla extract if you like it better. Spread the mixture gently over the peaches. The second bag of vanilla sugar goes right after the mixture. And the same process with sparkling water. Our peach pie is ready to be baked. Thank you for watching this video and see you again.